Here it is, the Perodua Ativa compact SUV in all its glory. If you're wondering, Ativa is actually Portuguese for active, which makes sense for an SUV, I guess. Anyway, packed with level 2 autonomous driving, a fuel-efficient 1-litre turbo engine, as well as a starting price of only 61,500 ringgit, this is actually lower than the estimated pricing, the Ativa is quite a compelling new model from Perodua. As previously revealed, 3 different variants of the Ativa are offered. The base Extreme retails at 61,500 ringgit, while the higher-end H and AV models go for 66,100 ringgit and 71,200 ringgit respectively. Naturally, the range-topping AV trim of the Ativa is the most exciting model. It is also the only variant to get level 2 autonomous driving. It's equipped with lane keep control, blind spot monitor, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. The more affordable H and X models, on the other hand, come with autonomous emergency braking, which is actually standard equipment across the range. Other safety features that you get with the Ativa include 6 airbags, vehicle stability control, emergency stop signal, ABS and EBD, hill hold assist, and even ISOFIX child seat anchors. Regardless of which variant you get, all 3 models of the Ativa are equipped with the same 1-litre turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that outputs 98 PS and 140 Nm of torque. Paired with a CVT gearbox, the Ativa has an impressive rated fuel efficiency of 18.9 km per litre. It'll be interesting to see if the SUV can actually deliver this fuel economy in real-life use. To recap, the Perodua Ativa goes from 61,500 ringgit to 71,200 ringgit for the range-topping AV model. That AV model is also available with a dual-tone colorway, either red or white with a black-top roof, but that will cost an additional 800 ringgit. According to Perodua, over 5,000 bookings have been placed for the Ativa, and it plans to deliver an average of 3,000 units per month. If you're one of the 5,000 folks that have already placed a booking, good news, Perodua said that deliveries of the Ativa will begin today on 4 March. And that is it for today's video. Like this video if you liked it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here on this channel and nextreef.com.